Good afternoon. Welcome to African World Traveler. We are live in Jambur village. So this is how it looks like. It's Friday today. The kids are just finishing school. It's the local neighborhood. There's like a mini supermarket or dinar shop or fuller shop. And that's the school here, Jambur village. It's the afternoon. The teachers are hiding away. They're hiding their faces. They don't want to be seen in camera or on camera. So kids are finishing school. So we are in Jambur. So look at the road works. So one thing I can tell you, people watching us from the diaspora, there is a lot of road development going on with the government, or I could say with the government, but there's no factories. I haven't seen any factories being built yet, but road construction is going on. A few years back or last year it wasn't like this. It's a newly built road, but there's a big pothole here. I'm gonna show you. It's a newly built road, but we have there's some big pothole here. It's a very low quality or bad quality road. So it's getting fixed, it's getting mended or getting patched up. So as you can see, it's getting patched up. I believe the NRA or those people, he says, going on social media, knocking people's houses, businesses and all that. I believe they're being past this road. They were knocking people, businesses, houses, shops and that. As you can see, that place has been knocked down. What is that? Is that the mosque? That man masjid. Yeah, that's a mosque. That's a masjid. That's a masjid. A mosque. A small one actually. What's going on here? Is that the ice cream place? Yeah, it's like an ice cream. Kids love ice cream. It's a good place. It's a good location for ice cream. Because as kids finish up school, I remember my school time, I was always craving for ice cream. I always go to the ice cream shop. I always spend all my lunch on ice cream. Well, yeah, kids love it, and the weather as well. It's really warm, so you can buy your ice cream and refresh yourself. My brother is having some ice cream. Does it taste good?
Yeah, it tastes good.
How much that cost?
It's $20.
$20?
Yeah.
Are you a student or you
No,
teacher?
I'm a teacher.
What are you? PE teacher or?
No, science.
Science, okay,
Yeah.
very smart guy.
Yeah.
So tell us a bit about your school and being a teacher in Gambia.
Yeah, being a teacher in Gambia, it's not easy now. Yeah, it's somehow difficult, it's tough.
It's not easy. What do you mean it's not easy? Tell them, people will be watching you.
Yeah, the salary is not enough.
It's not enough?
Yeah, it's not enough for
So what is not enough and what will be enough for you?
Huh?
What is not enough and what will be enough for you?
We need to have more salary.
No more?
Yeah.
So it's up to you. You want to disclose, you want to tell them how much you earn as a science teacher? Is that it? Tell us, is it a senior or up or
No,
primary?
It's primary.
Primary?
Yeah, primary.
What grade do you teach?
Grade 6.
Grade 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grade 6.
So you say the teaching fee is not enough, the salary?
Yeah, it's not enough now. Yeah.
So, okay, you're not going to tell us, I mean, how much you earn, but tell us what would be enough for you. How much you think will be enough for you as a teacher?
At least teachers should receive not less than 20,000 a month.
Not less than 20,000 a month?
Yeah, a month, yeah.
So 20,000 can cover your cost?
Yeah, 20,000 will be better for us.
Will be better for you?
Yeah.
So that will cover your transport and your living?
Transport and the
living allowances,
yeah,
and all that?
And all that, yeah.
So did the government cover your, I mean, what's it called? Your transportation allowances?
Yeah, transportation allowance, yes, but it's not enough.
It's not enough?
Yeah, before the month elapses, you finish all
your
yeah.
allowances will be done?
Yeah.
So, and the wages is not enough either?
No, it's not enough.
So the job you do?
No.
So what class do you teach? Is that the morning or afternoon?
Afternoon shift.
What time does the afternoon start and what time does it finish?
From 1:20 from 1:20 p.m. to 6 o'clock p.m.
But 6 p.m?
Yeah, 6 p.m.
Is it 6 yet? It's not 6 p.m. yet? Or is it because it's Friday?
No, today is Friday. So Friday you start 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
12 till 5.
Yeah, 12 to 5.
It's like almost a half day for you as well.
Half day Friday, yeah.
Right. How long you been teaching?
For 3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah.
So what were you doing before teaching?
Before teaching, I was a student. Then after school, I went straight to the college to be trained as a teacher.
Okay. How long did it take you to be a teacher, to be qualified?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, 2 years.
Okay, it doesn't take long.
Yeah, it doesn't take long. 2 years.
All right. So how long are you planning to be a teacher for?
Just I'm planning to be a teacher for maybe the next 2 years.
Next 2 years?
Yeah.
So what's the future after 2 years? What are you going to be doing?
I want to go to university to upgrade myself.
Upgrade yourself?
Yeah.
So, okay, we didn't even ask you your name. What's your name?
Bakari.
Bakari?
Mai.
Yeah. It's nice to meet you, Bakari.
Okay,
Mai.
thank you,
so
thank you
our YouTube channel is called African World Traveler.
Okay.
You can go and check yourself later, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah, thank
Take care, bro. All right, we're here. We're still going past. We're in Jambur, the Jambur Highway. We're heading to the mosque and the market as well. So we're gonna give you an update how things looks like. It seems like they put in another layer. There's another layer on this road. So I thought it wasn't enough, you know. I thought the layer wasn't thick enough. It seems like they're increasing the layer to a second layer. This is how it looks, guys. It's getting a bit thick now, you know. It's having a bit of thickness, so which is good. Other than that, we're gonna get like potholes and stuff. Especially the rainy season is about to come soon. We are in March. April, May, June we'll start having the rainy season. And I seen a post saying about raising fund for this masjid or this mosque in Jambur. So here, these are the one that does the road construction. So we're gonna show you this station here where they're stationed. The heavy duty vehicles that are doing the construction, and we're gonna take you by the mosque and the market. So guys, this wasn't planned either. So like we say, we always show you what we come across day in, day out. We don't plan what we do. Okay, this is how it looks here. This is Jambur. It's like open place. It's like the market. It's like it's part of the market as well. So here we are. So that's where they're stationed at the moment. They're doing the other layer. It looks like the second layer to me. So that's where they're stationed. That's where they keep their materials and the heavy duty vehicles. Yeah, here we are. We didn't see them in action doing the job, but we came across. Oh, it's a nice building. Last time when I was here, that building wasn't finished. So now the building is finished now. Look, there's a development going on, man. Jambur wasn't like this 7-8 months ago. So look, it'd be like, one thing I can tell you watching or viewing, there's a lot of road construction going on. The Chinese people in that vehicle. We got all kind of nationality here. We got all nationalities here. Oh, the other thing I'm not very pleased with is the market, the structure of the market. We still need a lot of development in our local communities or villages. I believe most of the majority of the vendors here will be females, our moms, our aunties, our sisters. As you can see, there's a lady there. So there should be a market. This market is getting built. I'm not sure whether it's been funded with the government or with the local authorities. But we still need some. We are still behind. We still need a lot of development. We still need to put in a lot of work. This guy definitely is a farmer. He's got some is it Bahama, some grass for the animals to feed. So this is the center here. This is the market, Chamis. This is a bakery. It's Chamis Bakery. So yeah. This is the center here. This is Jambur. I think that's the garage and the market. It's open. It's an open land. There's no gate and nothing. And this is the masjid, this is the mosque. People are just coming from praying. 5 p.m. prayers. There's a masjid. So yeah, there's a lot of road works going on in the Gambia. A lot of road works. So let's see in the rainy season, hopefully things will smoothen up a bit. There's a lot of construction, there's a bag of cement. There's a lot of building going on, guys. People asking me to take a content around in Jambur. This is what I seen by my eyes at the moment. It's that big building there. I've been told is owned by the Alcalo. Yeah, that big massive story building on your right side. So it's really nice. It's really well built. I've been told it's owned by the Alcalo of Jambur, and he's a police officer as well. That's the garage. That's the Jambur garage. So this road here will lead you straight to Farato. So you got to bend right or turn right, then it will take you to Farato. That's a UK number plate there. That pickup truck. That's a UK number plate. And that's the masjid, just the mosque. That's the mosque in Jambur. That's our local transport there if you want to go to the Farato or Brikama. So you got to jump into that one. So this is the mosque. This is the big mosque in Jambur. This is the big mosque. Assalamu alaikum. That's the big masjid. And these are the coffins. Unfortunately, if somebody passes, that's what we used to take you for burial. Assalamu alaikum. So just saying hello. Sumole is hello. So you see there is the form of cooling up water. We still have them jars, the big jars or vase. It's very cool in it, you know, you can drink out of it. It's like a refrigerator. It's really cool. It's really cool. We store water in them days in these big vases. It's nice and refreshing. It actually filters the water as well, you know. It's a form of filtration and it keeps it cool. So it keeps it cool, you know. See it? It's actually clean, guys. It's made out of clay. It's actually clean. You know, in them days we don't have refrigerators. So we use these big vases to store water and to drink out of. So it keeps it really cold, you know. It keeps it really cold and it actually filters the water as well. It's a form of filtration at the same time. It cools it off, you know. So that's the mosque. That's this big mosque in Jambur. Right, this is the big mosque. Let me get my camera out. Let's get the thumbnail. Let's get our phone out to get a thumbnail. So guys, as I said, I'm really sorry. It's been a while. Somebody's ringing me. It's been a while without the content, you know. So the reason to that is we've been too busy and the internet issue as well. Who's that ringing me? And the internet issue, so I'll call them back. With the internet issue we couldn't okay, let's take a thumbnail. Right, let's get a thumbnail. Okay, so guys, as you've been asking us for, like, what's it called, update around Jambur. So here's the update. If you need a further updates of any other area, so you need to subscribe, you need to get to my monthly subscription, then I could consider you as a I could consider going out or going extra mile to create a content for you out of your request, but unfortunately I can't just go out of my zone just to please you or to go to your request. So you kind of need to consider subscribing to my monthly membership subscription, which is not much, which is about what, about 170 something a month, less than $2.50. So if you need any other updates, you don't get to my membership or to my subscription, for my monthly subscription, definitely, unless and until I get to that area in my own time. So I'm not gonna just leave all my responsibilities to go and fulfill your requests, unfortunately, because obviously I got a busy life too. I'm here for a reason, and I'm here for some projects, right? So I hope you guys understand as well. So keep on supporting, and then we'll bring you a lot of contents. You'll get a lot of contents from us. So here we are, guys. We're gonna take you back again from where we started, and as you can see, this is Jambur Highway. This is a Jambur Highway. This is, instead of a hump, they put like a, I think that's for the rain to have access through. So this is a shop here, Western Union. If you send some money, you can receive money from the Western Union. And a lot of this construction going on is majority of the highways, they're building stores, like massive stores, stores for let or to let. So here we are. This is Jambur. As you can see, there's a different now. It's different here. From that end there to here, the layout is totally different. So they put in a second layer to thicken the road up, to get the road better surface. Because other than that, we're gonna face potholes. We're gonna face a lot of potholes, and the road will kind of you wouldn't call it a road anyway after a year or two, if they don't maintain it. But yeah, for now I'm impressed. Now they put in another layer on top of this one, so hopefully they will have a better quality road. And look at it, people are speeding, a lot of speeding vehicles here. So that's why some of the locals have put in tires on the highway so that people can slow down, because obviously you got pedestrians walking past. There's no footpath here, so people will have to squeeze with the vehicles, and you've got to be very careful when you walk in this highway in case you got run over. So guys, if you watch it this far, please give us a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel and be part of the member of African World Traveling journey. So this is nothing yet. We got a lot to bring on your table, on your TV, on your screen, on your PC, on your phone. So stay tuned. More contents to come. More contents to come from the Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa. This is African World Traveler here. We're gonna show our face, and we're gonna say we love you and peace out. We'll see you again soon. Please subscribe. See you later. Bye. Before I say bye, this is how things looks like in a farm. Cassava. This is a cassava farm. So guys, we're gonna love you and leave you for now. Bye.